Matthew 5. Jesus preached on top mountain. When Jesus see the people, he climb go the mountain, and him disciples follow am. After he don sit down, he come begin teach them, say, God go bless una wey dey poor for spirit, na una go get heaven. God go bless una wey dey mourn, because he go make una happy. God go bless una wey no dey carry body up, una go enjoy him promise for this world. God go bless una wey dey like to do good things, he go give una everything wey una want. God go bless una wey dey sorry for people, una go receive mercy. God go bless una wey get pure heart, na una go see God. God go bless una wey dey make peace, people go call una God children. God go bless una wey dey suffer because una dey do wetin dey right, na una go enjoy God kingdom for heaven. God go bless una wey people dey curse, dey suffer and lie for una head because of me. Make una happy and make belle sweet una, because na big thing dey wait una for heaven. Make una remember say na so the prophets wey come before una suffer too. Salt and light. Na una be salt for this earth, but if salt no get taste, how e go be for people mouth? E better make dem throw away am and make people mash am. Na una be light for this world, and town wey dey on top mountain no dey hide. Person no dey light lamp come cover am with basin. Instead, e go put am for where everybody wey dey inside the house go see am. Like that too, make your light shine well well for where people dey, so that dem go see the good things wey you dey do, wey go make dem praise your Papa wey dey heaven. Teaching about the law. Make una no think say I come spoil Moses' law and the things wey the prophets teach. No be so. Me sef come obey them. I tell una true word, before this world go end, everything wey dey inside the law, even the small small ones, go happen. So anybody wey no do wetin God command and dey teach others to do as he dey do, na him go small pass for God kingdom. But person wey obey God and teach others to do wetin the law talk, na big person e go be for God kingdom. I tell you the truth, if the good wey you do no better pass wetin the Pharisee and the people wey dey teach the law do, you no go fit enter God kingdom. Teaching about vaccination and to kill. You hear as God tell our papa dem before say, no kill, and anybody wey kill, God go judge am. But I tell una, anybody wey vex for him brother, God go judge am too. Anybody wey curse him brother go face the council, and anybody wey call person mumu go go hellfire. If you take your gift go altar and you can't remember say your brother get bad belle for you, make you leave the gift for the altar. First, go settle with your brother, then you go fit come back, come give your gift. Quick settle with who dey accuse you before una reach court. If not, e go give you to the judge, and the warder go throw you inside prison. I tell una the truth, you no go comot from that trouble until you pay all the money. Teaching about adultery. You hear where people say, make you not sleep with who you not marry. But I dey tell una now say, anybody wey look woman, can't get the mind to sleep with am, don already commit sin for im heart. If your right eye go make you sin, make you pluck am comot. E better say one part for your body not dey than say all your body enter hellfire. If your right hand go make you do bad thing, make you cut am throway. E better say one part for your body not dey than say all your body enter hellfire. Teaching about marriage. People dey say anybody wey drive im wife must give am paper say e no wan marry am again. But I dey tell una now say anybody wey drive im wife comot from marriage wey no be say the woman sleep with another man don make the woman commit adultery. And any man wey marry the woman don commit adultery too. Teaching about promise. Again, you don hear say dem tell people before say make you no break your promise, but do wetin you promise God. But I dey tell una now say make una no ever use heaven swear at all, because na God throne e be. Or with earth, because na im God dey put im leg. Or use Jerusalem, because na the big king town. No even take your head swear, because you no fit make one single hair white or black. When you say yes, make you mean am. And when you say no, make you mean am too. Any other thing wey you talk pass this, na devil e from come. Teaching about revenge. Una hear say anything anybody do una, make una do am back. But I tell una, make una no fight. If anybody slap your face, turn the other side give am too. If anybody drag your shirt with you, make you give am your coat join. And if anybody force you waka 1 mile, make you follow am waka 2 mile. Give people anything wey dem ask from you, and not drive anybody wey come borrow something from you. Love your enemy. Una hear say make una love una neighbor and hate una enemy. But I tell una now say make una love una enemies and pray for people wey dey suffer una, so that una go be like una Papa for heaven, wey dey allow sun to shine and rain to fall on top bad and good people. If una love only the people wey love una, wetin una gain? Na so bad people dey do too. Abi no be so? If una dey greet only una brothers, una no better pass others, because people wey no know God still dey do like that. Abi no be so? So make una dey perfect as una Papa wey dey for heaven perfect. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel. Then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una help us share am with una friends. And most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.